can see part of it back in here. There's your little piezo. There's the sun. There's the sun there. There's a fuse. I don't know if that fuse is any good. So that's how this thing goes together. There you can see the burners, the slits up in there, and I don't know if you think they're them. I'm going to go inside the camper and I'm going to show you something. Oh, damn it. Darn it. Okay, now, let me turn this down. There we go. And also, people, I want to show you something. My other steps were demolished when they fell and let me fall and bust my ass and hit my head. Sorry for the language. Okay, these are my new steps. They're made out of good solid wood and they're not too steep either, so. Okay, I'm going inside now. Okay. The way this camper refrigerator works, here is the instructions how to run this thing off of, it's not letting me focus. Gas operation.